How you guys doing? So today we're going to feed the blondi just before we mate them. So here's my lovely female Gretel. You can see she's really plump with the super worms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give her more, and we're going to commence the mating video today. I'm super excited. Okay, so I think about 2 or 3 super worms will do. See, she'll lead it. Okay, there's one. There's 2, and I'm going to save these for tomorrow's feeding video, so don't want to waste too much. Nice crunch there. Yep, so let me know what you guys think. So should I mate her tonight, or should I still feed her a bit, because she seems to be still hungry. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. So hope you enjoyed it. Peace.